Hello. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a tool called Conversational AI, which is built by 11 Labs. I integrated this AI agent into my website, and what it does is it navigates to different pages, and it also can schedule an appointment for me. It can do many other things like send text, send confirmations to people, and so much more. And if you find interest in this whatsoever, and you want to integrate this into your business, feel free to email me at christopher@figuresolutions.com, or just go to my contact page and leverage the AI assistant tool that you can call, and you can direct the call to me if you have any more questions. But let's dive right in. All right, this is my website, and this is the tool that we will be using. I will be able to communicate with the AI agent directly, and it should be able to direct me to different pages. So let's dive right in.
Hi, my name is Mike, and I'm the AI receptionist for Figures Solutions. I'm here to answer questions about Figures Solutions, help you navigate to different pages on our website, assist with starting a business assessment, and help you schedule an appointment. Just to be transparent, I'm an AI, so I may occasionally make a small mistake. If you'd like to book a meeting, I can help you schedule a Connect or Discovery meeting right here. You can also reach our team directly at What brings you to Figures Solutions today?
Can you tell me a little bit about the founder, please?
I've taken you to our About page. The founder of Figures Solutions is Christopher Figures. He was born and raised in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and has worked across various fields, including manufacturing, real estate, financial planning, and web development. Through these experiences, he's learned the true value of stewardship, managing time, resources, and opportunities wisely. Christopher founded Figures Solutions a few years ago, but since July 2025, he's been fully focused on helping leaders and organizations reclaim their time, eliminate repetitive work, and focus on what truly matters to their mission. He's married to his wife, Brittany, and he loves reading, building community relationships, and helping others grow. Is there anything specific about Christopher or Figures Solutions you'd like to know more about?
Oh, no, thank you. Can you direct me back to the homepage, please? And then can you help me schedule an appointment? I'm thinking about sometime in March. Looks like the 26th is wide open for me.
I'd be happy to help you schedule an appointment. Before we check availability, I'll need to collect some information from you. First, what's your full name?
Christopher Figures?
Let me confirm, that's CHRISTOPHER space FIGURES, correct?
That is correct.
Perfect. And what's your email address?
Christopher@figuresolutions.com.
Let me confirm, that's CHRISTOPHER@FIGURESOLUTIONS.com, correct?
That's correct.
Great. And what's the best phone number to reach you? This is optional but helpful for confirmations.
Don't worry about the phone number for now.
Perfect. I've saved your information. Now, is this for a Connect meeting or a Discovery meeting? A Connect meeting is an initial consultation to learn about your business, while a Discovery meeting is a deeper dive into your specific needs.
This is for a Connect meeting, please.
Perfect. You mentioned March 26th works well for you. Just to confirm, you're looking for March 26th, 2026, correct?
Yes. And do you have any availability at 9 a.m.?
I'm checking availability for March 26th, 2026. The earliest available time that day is 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Here are a few morning options. 1. March 26, 2026 at 9 a.m. ET. 2. March 26, 2026 at 9:30 a.m. at 3. March 26, 2026 at 10 a.m. ET. Which one works best for you?
9 a.m. works for me.
Perfect. Just to confirm, March 26th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Eastern Time for a Connect meeting. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Excellent. I've successfully booked your Connect meeting for March 26th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details and a meeting link. Would you like me to send you a confirmation text message as well?
No, thank you. Can you actually cancel that meeting and reschedule that meeting for 12 p.m. that day instead of 9 a.m.?
Perfect. I rescheduled your appointment from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Time on March 26, 2026. You'll receive a confirmation email for your new appointment time. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Nope, that will be it. Thank you.
Goodbye. Take care.
So now you were able to see that I was able to schedule an appointment, cancel an appointment, and it was able to direct me to different pages based on the questions that I had and based on the type of conversation I was having with the AI. So those are just a few things that you can do with the AI assistance tools. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at christopher@figuresolutions.com, or you can go to the contact page on my website to find the phone number, and you can communicate with the AI receptionist via phone, or you can communicate with the AI tool yourself to test it out yourself. But I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless.